Welcome back to another Bargain Savage video, and today I have for you these earbuds from Bluestone. They're EW-2 hands-free headphones. So it's got a built-in microphone, active blue buds, stereo sound, back of the box, premium stereo sound, built-in mic, noise-canceling earbuds, tangle-free wire, function button, 3.5mm audio jack. The frequency response is 20 to 20,000 hertz. Speaker impedance is 32 ohms, and sensitivity is 105 decibels. All right, well, let's get into this package. I don't recall where I bought these from. They weren't too expensive. I believe they're around $6. It's been a while since I did any videos. Took kind of a break for Christmas. So we just got the box and some kind of card in the back for aesthetic. Comes with 3 sets of caps. We've got small and large in here. Medium is on them. Very simple packaging. They feel and look like a lot of Dollarama headphones. So it's got a flat cord. I guess that's what they call tangle free. It's got a mic button. Well, I guess it's got the mic and it's got the button for activation of Siri or whatever you're using on your device. And the 3.5mm jack is TRRS, so that allows for a microphone. The plastic is very cheap looking, and I know the back of them have this little chrome piece cap on the back. Looks very cheap as well. I'm going to rip these medium caps off and stick on the small ones. It always seems to be the ones that fit my ears the best. Now, there was a pair that I just got in the mail a couple days ago that I really wanted to do, but then I realized that I couldn't do it because I'm not in that part of cheap earbuds extravaganza yet, because they cost over $10. But I'll give you a heads up, I did finally get myself a pair of the triple drivers from China. So we're going to try them out hopefully in the near future. I got to get my acting gear and start making a bunch more videos to get this cheap earbuds extravaganza finished. So let's give these a little addition here and see what they sound like. We'll do a test fit first. Now the drivers are not marked left or right. It appears that they're going to fit into my ears this way. Comfort, not bad. I'm not a big in-ear earbud fan to begin with, so I'm always kind of negative towards that. I prefer over-ear headphones, but let's give these a try. Okay, so to say that I'm shocked and thoroughly impressed is an understatement. Now, they're not super earbuds. Remember, these are cheap, inexpensive earbuds. I believe I forgot to mention this is earbuds Extravaganza 3-18. And they play very loud. When they're played very loud, they distort a bit. Turn down a couple notches. They still play loud enough for me. Actually, still too loud for easy listening. I turned it down a bit more. Then they don't distort as much. The bass is very much there. From all of the Dollarama ones I tested, except for the Rex and I believe Mood Lab, I think is the same one. And there was another one. that did very well in the reviews. These are very close to those, maybe a smidgen better. What else can I say about them? They're the mid-range and the highs are clear. They don't seem to play as high as some of the cheaper earphones did, but they did it better. And yeah, overall, for like a inexpensive cheap pair that was like $4 to $6, these little Bluestones aren't bad. I'm gonna actually try and see if I can get some other models in these to see if they sound even better, because not always, but usually when you pay a little bit more, you're going to get better. And that's what number 4 of Earbuds Extravaganza is going to be about. I have a few earbuds over in the corner there that are around the $10, and then I have some that are around $15 and stuff like that. So we'll get into that later. And I'm just itching to try these new triple drivers, so I won't get ahead of myself. I'll try and finish all of the cheap ones before I do that. Alright, so I tried the earbuds in my TCL, and the button on here did not activate any assistant on my TCL Pro 20, but now we're going to try it in the Samsung Note 9 as I check the microphone. And you can let me know in the comments below what you think of the sound of the microphone, and I'll let you know if the button worked to activate the assistant in the Samsung Note 9 in the recording as well. This is the sound of the Bluestone model EW-2 microphone, as it would be hanging from your neck as you were wearing the earbuds. And this is the sound of the Bluestone microphone while it is being held up in front of my mouth, approximately 2 inches and off to the left side. The cord is a little bit short, so I can't hold it directly in front of my mouth. Now, once again, after trying the button for the assistant, I tried it on the Note 9, and if I held it long enough, it did work, but it only told me the time, and it said it would tell me my notifications if I enabled that, but I did not choose to enable that. Plus, I tried it again on my TCL Pro 20, and if I held the button long enough, it did tell me the time, but that was it. Okay, so in the end, do I recommend these for a cheap set of earbuds? I absolutely recommend these. These are on my higher list of earbuds that actually sounded pretty darn good for under $10. So yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe, and have a great day.